Our world has been facing major problems for a long time, and that problem is pollution. There's more than one type of pollution that is plaguing our planet. There's air pollution, water pollution, and land or soil pollution. There are two types of air pollutants, primary and secondary. Primary pollutants are given off directly from the source, while secondary pollutants are reactants of primary pollutants. When people burn fossil fuels, electricity produce both primary and secondary pollutants. When people burn fossil fuels and electricity produce I said that already. Yeah. The fumes from car exhaust contain dangerous gases when they travel into the atmosphere and react with other atmospheric gases and create even more toxic gases. Fertilizer is also another huge contributor to air pollution. The level of pollution caused by fertilizer is thought to be one of the highest of all contributors. Ammonia is the primary air pollutant from agricultural activities. Ammonia enters the air from livestock waste and other fertilized fields. The gaseous ammonia then combines with pollutants given off by cars and creates aerosols. Other agricultural pollutants such as pesticides, herbicides, and fungicides also contribute to water pollution. Water pollution, also known as nutrient pollution, is caused by wastewater, sewage, and fertilizers. High levels of these nutrients typically end up in large bodies of water and promote algae and weed growth. This can make water undrinkable and deplete oxygen levels, causing aquatic animals to die. The pollutants such as pesticides concentrate into the soil and end up in groundwater due to rain and runoff. Therefore, whenever anyone drills a well, the water has to be tested for pesticides. Industrial waste is one of the main causes of water pollution. This is because of primary and secondary pollutants it gives off. In developing countries, about 70% of their solid waste is dumped directly into the ocean. This harms and kills sea creatures, which is inevitably harmful to humans. Pesticides do not just create air and water pollution, they also create land pollution. Land pollution is the destruction of land due to humans. This occurs when humans apply chemicals to soil or dispose of waste improperly. Soil is polluted through leaking of septic tanks, sewage systems, and landfills. Raining and flooding can also bring pollutants from polluted areas to unpolluted areas. Overfarming and overgrazing can cause the soil to lose its nutrients and value structure, which in turn causes soil degradation. Landfills leave harmful substances in soil and waterways due to rain and runoff. This creates a breeding ground for rodents who transmit terminal diseases. In 1976, the federal government created the Resource Conservation and Recovery Act. This is an approach to dispose of potentially hazardous materials. Our Earth is facing some dangerous things, not only to her, but the humans and animals who live here as well. All of this is due to air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution, and it all can be resolved if all of us just did a little bit of extra work. And there are my references. Do you guys have any questions? No?
No.